Sai Ram students, let us continue with our chapter number 4, subtraction. Today we are going to start with our part 2, which is subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Children, look at this number, read the numbers loudly. 6205 minus 3926. For solving it, we have to place all the numbers properly in their proper place and subtract the ones place. Children, look at the number at ones place. We have 5 minus 6. But 5 is smaller than 6. So 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So what can be done? Here the concept of borrowing will come. Now how to borrow, let us understand. Children, do you remember in your school when you don't have your pencil, what do? You take from your friends, right? When you take from your friend, when your friend gives you something, it is known as to borrow. So like that, we are going to borrow from our friend. Now here who is our friend? Tens place, hundreds place, other places. Okay. Now here 5 is smaller than 6. So number 5 will go to tens place. Okay. Now always remember, while borrowing, you can borrow only from your next place. Ones cannot go to hundreds place or thousands place. It is wrong. We cannot do that. We have to borrow. Ones can only borrow from tens place, and if tens wants to borrow, he can borrow from hundreds place. Now in tens place we have 0. Children, if you don't have any chocolates, can you give me 5 chocolates? No, it is not possible. First you should have something. That means tens place needs to borrow from hundreds place first. So tens will go to hundreds place. Okay. Now here in hundreds place we have number 2. Number 2 means 200. So from here we will take 1. So we will take 100 and give it to tens. 100 is how many tens? Right? 100 is 10 tens. Correct? So I will cancel here 2. Okay? And how much I'm going to cancel? 2 minus 1, because I am taking 100. So 2 minus 1 is 1, that I have to write here. And what I am giving to tens place? 10 tens. Now children, 10 tens plus 0 tens is equal to 10 tens. So cancel 0 and write here number 10. Okay, this is my first step. Now you can see in tens place I have number 10. So children, as we got number 10 in tens place, okay, so number 5 can borrow from tens place. Okay, 10 will give 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9. I will write it here. And 1 tens will be given to ones. 1 tens is equal to how many ones? Is equal to 10 ones. Correct? So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So here I will cut 5 and I will write 15. Now till here we have borrowed. Now 15 minus 6 is possible. because number 15 is a bigger number, right? 15 minus 6. Count after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it is 9 fingers. Here my answer will be 9. Then children, all this we have cancelled. Okay, we have to ignore this part. What is the last number we got? Number 9. So 9 minus 2 we have to do here. 9 minus 2 is, count after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many fingers you have got? 7 fingers, right? So write your number 7. In hundreds place, we have 1 minus 9. Now is it possible, children, 1 minus 9? No, it is not possible. So children, now hundreds will go to thousands, okay, and borrow from thousands place. Right children? Because we cannot subtract 1 minus 9. So 1 will go to 6,000s. From 6,000 we will get 1,000. Okay. So 6,000 minus 1,000 is 5,000. So 6 minus 1 is 5. I will cut 6 and I will write 5. 1,000 is how many hundreds? Come on children, tell me. 10 hundreds, right? So 10 hundreds plus 1. 10 hundreds plus, this is 1, okay? 100 is equal to 1100, correct? So I will cut 1 and I will write here 11. Okay? Now 11 minus 9, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So let us subtract. Count after 9. 10, 11, 2. So here I will get number 2. And in thousands place, I have 5 minus 3, which is 2. Correct? So this answer I will get. Note it down children. My answer is 2,279. Children, now take out your notebook and we are going to start with exercise 4.2 and we are going to solve similar type of subtraction sums, that is with borrowing. Question number 1 is subtract the numbers A sum. Children, in your textbook, like this, boxes are drawn, okay, and the question is given 8,053 minus 5,694. While subtracting, we always have to start from ones place, okay. So we will start subtracting from ones place. In ones place, we have 3 minus 4. Is it possible 3 minus 4? No, it is not possible, right? So number 3 will go to tens place and borrow, okay. So in tens place we have number 5. 5 tens. 5 tens will give 1 tens to ones place. 5 minus 1 is 4. So cancel 5 and write here number 4. Okay. So in ones place I got 10 ones. Now 10 ones plus 3 ones. Understand children? I got here 10 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. Or simply you are borrowing from your 1, you can write here in front of 3. Like that also you can remember. Now cancel 3 here because we got 13. 13 minus 4. Can we do now? Yes. Now count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Number 9. Yes children, 13 minus 4 is 9. Now let us move towards tens place. In tens place we have 4 minus 9. Can we subtract 4 minus 9? No, 4 is a smaller number. We cannot subtract. So we have to go to hundreds place. Oh my God, in hundreds place we have 0. Hundreds doesn't have anything. So how we are going to borrow? First, hundreds will go to thousands. Okay, and get something or borrow something. So 0 will go to 8,000. Okay, so 8,000 will give 1,000 to 100. So 8 minus 1 is 7, right? Now 1,000 is 10,100. Okay, here we are converting children. This you have learned in your second standard, right? So 1,000 is equal to 10,100. 10,100, here I am writing 10,100 plus, okay, 0,100 is equal to, obviously it is 10,100. So I will cancel 0 and I will write here 10. Or simply you can put 1 in front of 0. Okay children. Now in tens place we have number 10. Can 4 borrow with 10 hundreds? Yes. So number 10 will give 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. So 100 is equal to 10. 100 is equal to how many tens children? Tell me. 10 tens. Correct. So 10 plus 4 will be 14. Cancel your 4 and write here 14. Like this you have to borrow step by step. Okay. Now look at the tens place. In tens place we have 14 minus 9. Can we subtract? Yes. So let's subtract. 9 after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5. 9 minus 6. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. And in thousands place we have 7 minus 5. What is 7 minus 5? 2. So my answer is 2,359. So children, the difference is 2,359. Let us move towards B question, which is 6,341 minus 1,873. Now we'll start subtracting from ones place. In ones place we have 1 minus 3, which is not possible. So we have to borrow from our friend tens place. In tens place we have number 4. 4 tens will give 1 tens. So we will cancel here 4 and write here 3. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. So here we will get 10 ones. Plus 1 is equal to 11. So write here number 11. Or children, simply you can put here 1 in front of the number. Okay. Now 11 minus 3. Is it possible? Yes. So come on, tell me what is 11 minus 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 8. I will write here 8. Correct. Now in tens place we have 3 minus 7. Again, which is not possible. 3 is smaller than 7. So we have to borrow from hundreds place. Hundreds place we have 3. 300 hundreds will give 100. Only 1. Okay. So 3 minus 1 is 2. I will write here number 2. 100 is equal to 10 tens. I will get here 10 tens plus 3 10, which is 13. I will write here number 13. Now is it possible to subtract? Yes. 13 minus 7. Count everyone after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 6. Okay. In hundreds place again 2 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow from thousands place. In thousands place we have 6,000. Cancel 6. 6 will give 1,000. Okay. So 6 minus 1 is 5. First I will write here 5. And then what I will get? 10 100. 10 plus 2 is, children, 12. That is why we cancel 2 and we will write here 12. Or write 1 in front of the number. Okay. Now 12 minus 8 is possible? Right, it is possible. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. Finally, in thousands place, we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. So children, the difference is 4,468. Children, note down the answer for B question. 4,468. Now the C question, this I have already done for you. The question is 9,813 minus 5,726. Okay, we have to start from ones place. In ones place we have 3 minus 6, which is not possible. So 3 will borrow from 1 tens. 1 tens will give 1 tens. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I wrote here 0. Okay. 1 tens is equal to 10 ones. 10 plus 3 is 13. So we have to cancel 3 and we have to write here 13. Now 13 minus 6 is possible. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay. In tens place we did till 0. 0 minus 2, is it possible? No. So 0 will borrow from 8 hundreds. 8 will give 100. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And here we will cut 0 and will write 10. Okay. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. Write here 10 minus 2 is 8. In hundreds place 7 minus 7. Children, now here there is no need to borrow because 7 minus 7 is possible. 7 minus 7 is 0. So write down here 0. In thousands place we have 9 minus 5, which is 4. Okay. So my final answer is, or the difference is 4,087. Question number 2. Find the difference between 6,872 and 3,214. Now here they have given the question directly, we have to find the difference. Difference, the word difference means minus. We have to do this word difference. Okay, so write down the question in a proper box, write down in the proper place, and then we are going to start from ones place to subtract. 2 minus 4. Is it possible 2 minus 4? No. So number 2 will borrow from 7 tenths. 7 tenths will give only 1 tenth. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay. So write here number 6. 1 tenth is equal to 10 ones. So here I am getting how many I am getting? 10 ones. 10 ones plus this 2 is 12. So cut 2 and write here 12. Okay. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 6 minus 1 is possible. No need of borrowing. So we will subtract. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. 8 minus 2. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 6 minus 3 is 3. This is how we are going to subtract. Look at the numbers properly. Then only we are going to borrow. My difference is 3658. Moving towards question number 3, subtract the following. In that, a question is 3988 from 5666. Children, in this question they have not given us the boxes. The formation of question is different. When we see the word from, okay, it means we have to subtract this number from this number. So the second number which is given, that we have to write first. So it is 5666 minus 3988. In this manner we are going to put the numbers in the proper place. Okay. So I have already put all the numbers. 5666 minus 3988. Children, following all the rules, we have to solve this question and we have to subtract. So we are going to start from ones place. I am just going through it. 6 minus 8 is given here, which is not possible. So 6 will go to tens place and will borrow 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, note it down. Then, so 6 will become 16. Now, 16 minus 8 is possible. 16 minus 8 is 8. After that, in tens place, we have 5 minus 8. Again, which is not possible. So this 5 will borrow from number 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 5 will become 15. Okay. Now 15 minus 8 is 7. Moving towards hundreds place, we have number 5. 5 minus 9 again is not possible. So 5 will go to this 5 in thousands place and borrow. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I am going to write here number 4. Okay. And this 5 will become 15. Children, look at the flow, how it is going. There are multiple borrowings. So you have to go slow and one by one you have to decide you have to borrow or not. 15 minus 9 is possible, which is 6. And 4 minus 3 is 1. Children, so the difference is 1678. B question, 2986 from 5717. From this number, children, so the second number 5717 you will write here first, then put minus sign, and then you are going to write 2986. Okay. While subtraction, we have to start from ones place. Here we have 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So we have to write here 1. Then 1 minus 8 is not possible. 1 will borrow from 7, which is in hundreds place. 7 will become 6 and 1 will become 11. Okay. You know how this 11 came? Because we got 100. 100 is equal to 10 tenths. Right? 10 tenths plus 1 tenth is equal to 11 tenths. Okay? So here we are writing 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. That's right. In hundreds place we have 6. Okay. 6 minus 9 is possible? No, it is not possible. 6 is smaller than 9. So 6 will borrow from 5, which is in thousands place. Okay. 5,000 will give 1,000. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. And 6 will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So children, the difference is 2731. The C question is 2310 from 6349. Children, here you can see there is no borrowing required. Let us subtract, children, from ones place. 9 minus 0 is 9. Then in tens place, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, here you make a mistake. 3 minus 3 is 0. In thousands place we have 6 minus 2, which is 4. After this, children, we have few sums for homework. Please note it down. It is from question number 1. Subtract the following. D sum 2310 minus 1028. E sum 7426 minus 6659. F sum 8905 minus 4937. Then question number 3, subtract the following. We have 3 sums here. Note it down, students. Here the boxes are not given. You have to write the numbers properly. Thank you, students.